My dear buddies, welcome back. Well, I understand it has been a long time I've not been making motorcycle videos, and the reason is very simple. I am almost 38 years old now and I need to focus on my career. So I have been doing that, and in the last more than 2 years I have been focusing on building my startup technology related businesses. However, most of my motorcycles got neglected during this time and I cannot forgive myself for that. I take the care of these motorcycles very personally, and they are like my lover, they are like my girlfriend, and I cannot see them in a bad shape. So last night I realized all of a sudden that this beautiful RC 390 motorcycle, on which I did so much of riding, I even did the iron butt saddle sore 1600 kilometers ride in 24 hours on this RC 390. And unfortunately, she was sitting in one of our offices and I did not attend to her for almost a year, and she was not even started, probably started only once or so in the last 1 year. And now this motorcycle needs to be restored. She needs a lot of love, lot of care, and we are going to bring her back to life. And I'm going to be doing a series of videos where this motorcycle, now see, remember one thing, if you keep a motorcycle unattended where you did not start the motorcycle for a long time and she is exposed to sunlight, my heart hurts. I mean, motorcycles being exposed to sunlight and some amount of rain, moisture, if that happens, then the motorcycles start to rust and many not so good things happen, and which have happened to this motorcycle. The chain is in a bad condition. Rubber tubes are almost cracking. Many other components like the thermostat, which checks the temperature of the coolant, that is not working, and the tires have cracks and whatnot. It's a sin what has happened, but we will rectify this, and this gives a great opportunity for us to make a series of videos about how to restore a super sport motorcycle like the KTM RC 390, and you all know how capable this motorcycle is. She can take on many super bikes in tight twisty corners. So stay tuned, and we will also try to make her the fastest stock RC 390 in this country. Thank you. So like, share, and stay subscribed and stay tuned. Bye bye.